Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the secrets you might have missed in Dress to Impress Winter Update. So today's DI Winter Update is packed with more secret hidden items and quests than you think. So the first one is this gingerbread costume. So if you didn't know yet, you can get this for free by going to this tables right here, and under the cookies you'll see this costume. And if you're wondering where is the hot dog costume now, so you can go to this table right here, this drawer, and you'll see the hot dog costume under the drawer. And now if you want to change your pose, you can just go straight to the dressing room in here, and you'll see this pose options, and you can equip or unequip the walk on idle pose that you want in here. And if you're on the pre-play mode, if you go outside, there is the ice skate ring that you can play to get snowflakes. So you can just go in the center in here. So this is where you can find the snowflakes easily. You can just do the ice skating in here. But if you bump into this tiny polar bear, they will get angry at you like this. And there's also a mini game that you can do to get snowflakes. You can do the present wrapping in here in the Santa's workshop to get snowflakes. So that's the secrets in the new DTI updates. I hope you found this helpful. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.